So we wake up and we think our day is gonna go normal, but it's 10:30 and I haven't had breakfast yet. So the teens were an hour and a half late for school this morning, but they are there and we are on the way home. So I'm going to have my daily breakfast for my first snack. So yesterday I was like, oh, I'm gonna hit every meal and every snack. I didn't make it. It's alright. Hey guys, I am finally home. The kids are finally at school. The other two are over there drinking shakes and eating dry cereal and watching Beauty and the Beast. So every time I think it's gonna be a normal day, it's never a normal day. Alright, so I'm going to take my lemon, ginger, and turmeric shot. Cheers. And you guys know after that, I always do my 2 super greens. Same one I always make. 2 scoops of Dutch chocolate. Y'all want to see? Hold on. Then a scoop of vanilla. Scoop of coffee. Actually, scoop and a half, because that's how I feel today. Creamer. And topper. And now, I'm going to do our pasta shot. That's my breakfast. I'm going to go ahead and log it into my Fitness Pal. And then I'll see you guys when it's time to eat again. Alright, so I'm dealing with like a really bad headache. As soon as I got home, it just started and it just keeps getting worse and worse. I took medicine, but I gotta go get the kids from school now. I'm gonna take these before I go, and I'll have a snack in the car, I guess. My head really hurts, but this is multi. The energy. My oldest wants to run to the crystal shop after school, so I'll be in the car for a while, so I'm gonna bring some snacks. I'm gonna decide what I want to bring. I'll show you, and I'll show you what I bring once I get in the car. Alright, bye. Okay, so I have these teriyaki beef jerky. 1 package per serving, 60 calories, and 9 grams of protein. So I'm going to snack on this. AJ's talking so much. And then later, these. I'm going to be in the car for like 4 hours. So this, I have baked green pea snacks. They're lightly salted, gluten-free, and powered by plant protein. An entire bag is 270 calories, and it has 10 grams of protein. So 1 gram of sugar. Yeah, I'm going to eat these like the whole time I'm in the car. I'm just gonna snack on these until I get back home. So these are my 2 car snacks. It's 2:30 right now. I'll probably get home around like 5:30, 6:30ish, probably more like 5:30. So about 3 hours. I've only had my shake so far today, so I'm gonna start eating this. But we'll see how the rest of the day goes. I'm about to go shopping, so I'm going to drink this on my way because I'm tired. So this is what I'm gonna bring. And it is, how many calories in this thing? 15 calories. I forgot I was supposed to bring you out to the store with me. So I got some more spinach, I got some bananas, I got some lemons so far, a cucumber, some mushrooms, and some tomato. And Cadence just threw some butter bread in there and ran away. So what else are we gonna get? Oh, we're at Aldi's again. So I'm going to get these 2. These 2 granolas.
What? Took mine off an Android. No way. Yeah, they did. You're like lucky. No, they were like thing. They were like
Ginger.
Wait, let me see your elbow. Does this hurt? Like, it doesn't hurt. Stop doing
That's for the kids.
Does this hurt? Wait. Mom, I need bigger potatoes. Those potatoes are not for you. Those are potatoes.
These are the good potatoes. Gonna get some squash and some zucchini. And I'm gonna leave it at my home next time because
Why would you do that? My face is
going to get some salmon. And then I also got some chicken. Cut mozzarella cheese. I was like the worst person to bring to the store. Colby Jack. We're going to get cauliflower, rice, cauliflower. They are getting.
Are you making
pizza.
something?
Yeah, I'm not.
And I get my potatoes.
Going to get some salmon burgers for my husband's lunches. Going to get some black bean burgers. We're getting these pizzas. And I think I'm going to get this one for me and my husband. It has 12 grams of protein per serving. And there's 3 servings in here. I'll get this one for my husband and I. Are you practicing fighting? We need some more Greek yogurt.
You look the part. I don't. You do. Mommy, do you think I look like that?
More. Yes. People say that about me all the time. Okay, so we are having pizza for dinner. The one that I showed you at Aldi. Let me show you. This one. Spinach and goat cheese, really thin.
Don't do it, okay?
Kids. So there's 3 servings in this pizza, 290 calories and 12 grams of protein. So this is what we're having for dinner, me and my husband, and the kids are having these other ones. Since we just got home and we're not having dinner right now, I'm drinking my shake right now. Because, you know, 2 shakes a day. I'm also going to take my Prolessa right now. Cheers. It's so good. It's really like strawberry milk. If you like strawberry milk, gotta make one of these. Yeah, strawberry milk. So I'm gonna go put away all these groceries I just bought. I went to Publix too. I didn't record in Publix because my kids were driving me nuts. But and then I'm going to make dinner.
Get off! I'm cleaning.
See you later.
Chloe,
I mean, it's not bad. It's just weird.
Like Chloe literally was laughing.
I like it too. It's good.
That's
I am taking my nighttime greens. I'm done with everything. And then I'm going to edit. I don't know why, but my video from yesterday is still uploading. My kid is making cookies.
Oh my goodness.
So dramatic. Alright. That's it for today. We're gonna go edit this video. Hopefully my video from yesterday will be done. It's been uploading for 24 hours. I don't know what's wrong with it.
When the kids ain't sick no more, we kick your ass in the gym.
My husband said when the kids aren't sick no more, he's gonna kick my ass in the gym. But it's the other way around. Because I was going. He hasn't been there for like 3 months. I'm gonna kick him. You okay, Corn?
No.
The kids are very sick. So we're being good parents and not putting them in the gym to make other kids sick.
Unlike the other parents.
Unlike other parents who got my kids sick. But anyways, that's that for the night. See y'all tomorrow on the next video.